Are you ready to unlock the potential of TikTok and turn your passion into profit? Introducing your ultimate guide, TikTok Monetizing Blueprint 2024, How to Generate Passive Income. With over 1.8 billion users worldwide, TikTok has become the go-to platform for content creators, influencers, and entrepreneurs alike. We're thrilled to introduce you to the TikTok Monetizing Blueprint 2024 to help you generate passive income. Thousands of students have already transformed their TikTok presence with the strategies taught in this course. Inside the TikTok roadmap, you'll discover step-by-step strategies for identifying your niche and target audience, monetization tactics, audience growth and engagement, performance analysis and optimization, how to create captivating content that resonates with your audience, growing your following organically, monetizing your TikTok presence with brand partnerships, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, TikTok Creator Fund and much more. But that's not all. When you enroll today, you'll also receive as exclusive bonus, 7 high-quality MP3s of the course lessons to listen on the go. Don't miss out on this opportunity to join the ranks of successful TikTok creators. Get the complete TikTok Monetizing Blueprint 2024 today and start your journey to earning passive income on TikTok. Click the link below to get started now.